Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and no, this was not clickbait. I'm actually going to show you how you can make $1.5 million doing social media marketing for yourself. Now, recently, I joined a program called Infinity Processing System, okay? And this training is basically teaches you how to make money online as an affiliate marketer. In particular, it teaches you how you can make money online promoting Infinity Processing System, okay? So when you join the program, you can join at 3 different levels, right? There's a $50 level, the $150 level, and the $300 level, right? So depending on what level you come in is the amount of training that you have access to. Obviously, the $50 level, you get some decent training, but the $300 level is like, you get the whole shebang, right? Everything you need to know about marketing online. And it just doesn't apply to Infinity Processing System. You can use this training for any product or service that you want to promote online, okay? So the actual training teaches you how to promote on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Craigslist, and TikTok. All right, it's detailed training. I went through all of the training and it's legit, it's real, it's helpful, and you will definitely earn some commissions if you put that work in my opinion. You would definitely earn some money. So you're like, okay, that's great, but where's the whole $1.5 million coming in at, bruh? Here it comes right now. So I joined at the $300 level, all right? And some people might be like, what? That's crazy. Other people might be like, that's it? Oh, I got that. Cool. I'm ready to invest. I'm ready. I want my own home business. Okay. So whatever. I came in at the $300 level. Because of the fact that I came in at the $300 level, it allows me to earn the $300 commissions, right? So anybody that comes in at the $50 or $150 or the $300 level, I will earn them commissions, right? But just using the $300 commissions, 100% commissions that I can generate now, that I can earn, it hit me a few days ago. It hit me. If I was to sell 5,000 programs, right? That's it, 5,000. That is $1.5 million in commissions. If I was to sell 5,000 of the 300 membership, right, at the $300 level. So some people, once again, might be like, man, 5,000 copies, bro, I can't sell that. Some people might think that. But then you got to realize how many people are online and offline, but mainly online. How many people? Think about that. 5,000 people online is not even a grain of salt. That's nothing. 5,000 people is nothing, right? So like it just stuck in my head. It's stuck in my head. 5,000. Like you can just focus everything. Just your number's 5,000. Of course, you gotta start with your first sale. But once you see that first sale and you realize like this is real and you have a solid product, a good quality product that you can feel comfortable promoting, now you can really zone in and be like, all I need to do is hit 5,000, right? And you can do that because, like I just said, you can feel confident in the product that you're promoting. So when you feel confident in what you're promoting, you have no problem sharing it with anybody, right? You have no problem sharing it on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. But this is like my goal. This is my what I'm focused on, hitting that 5,000 sales, right? And you could do the same thing too. But this is what I suggest. If you come in at the $300 level, just like I did, right? It's going to show you all this training. And it is a lot of training. It's good training. But here's what you need to do for you. Figure out what platforms that you want to use, that you feel the most comfortable using to promote IPS. right? Which ones you feel comfortable with? Is it YouTube? Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? You know, is it TikTok? I suggest picking two of your favorite, you know, platforms. Study the training inside of IPS, because remember, when you at the $300 level, you get access to all the training. So go through the training of the programs, of the platforms that you want to use to promote, and really learn them. Take a few days, really learn the training, and then go hard, point blank, period. Now, you know, if you really feel like you in that grind mode, you know, you might can combine a couple, like, you know, what you can do is, if you on Instagram, right, you can share your Instagram to your TikTok, or TikTok to your Instagram if you want to use TikTok. So you can kind of combine, you know, the platform. So you could do, say you want to promote on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, but you kind of combine in TikTok and Instagram, because you can pretty much share your TikTok to your Instagram. Or you can do, you know, TikTok and YouTube, right? You can take with your TikTok videos, you can re-upload them to YouTube, right? So you can, you know, hit multiple platforms like that. But the key is, guys, pick at least two platforms and go hard. Now I don't want to hear, oh, well, it's too hard. No. If you can sell 5,000 copies at $300, you just earned $1.5 million. That's it. We don't need to talk no more. No, I don't want to hear it. You know the numbers. 5,000 sales, $1.5 million. End of story. Now, just in case you like, oh man, that's crazy, I can't do 5,000. Okay, break it down real quick and I'm gone. Say you do half of that, right? That's what? 2,500 copies, right? 2,500 copies at the $300 level is what? What is that? $750,000, right? Is that right? $750,000, something like that. Think about that. But forget that. We want 5,000. We going for 5,000, because 5,000 sales is $1.5 million. How real is that? All right. Is you ready to grind? If you ready to grind, let's grind. So if you want to join Infinity Processing System, you already know the link is in the description. It's the first link in the description of this video. And guys, if you're serious, if you got that passion, you ready to work and grind, and you focus, and you're an entrepreneur, right? Once you join, I will connect with you. And if you want to set up a call, we can get on the phone. I will help you any way I can to get started, help you pick your platforms that you should be using. But guys, be prepared to work. Be prepared to grind, because this is a real opportunity, and I'm going to do it. I'm excited about it. I'm already, the platforms that I'm pushing myself, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's what I'm rolling with right now. All right. So guys, comment below if you want to check out the program. You got any questions, let me know. But like I said, once you join and get started, I can connect with you and help you any way I can. Let's get this money.